Yes, I know. I picked the day that it rains. Sure, let's go get pretzels while it's raining. Decisions I make. Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Toasted. I'm your host Gabe, and today we are making Auntie Anne's pretzels. So the first thing in order to recreate these pretzels is we have to go get them and try them out ourselves. So let's take a ride and let's go to Auntie Anne's. Yeah, I'm kind of excited about going to Auntie Anne's. I haven't had Auntie Anne's in a really long time. I made them actually for home ec class a long time ago. And I'm kind of excited about this one. Alright, so we're here at Auntie Anne's, and I'm a little excited to try these pretzels out again and see if there's any difference to them, but let's go inside and order some pretzels. Alright, so we got our pretzels. They actually smell pretty good. So let's go home and let's try them out. So I got two different kinds. I got the original and I got the ones covered in cinnamon sugar. They don't have a whole lot of salt on them, and I'm big on pretzel salt. I mean, the butter helps a little bit. I wish they had a little bit more pretzel salt on them. Let's try the cinnamon sugar ones. There's definitely a lot of cinnamon sugar on these. It's like all cinnamon sugar. Wow. So the cinnamon sugar one's not bad. I don't know. It just has an interesting taste to it. I don't remember them like, I don't know. I feel like maybe there's almost like, it's not just cinnamon sugar, it's brown sugar. And that's a lot of sweetness. That's a lot of sweetness. Yeah, I think we can do better. So first things first is you want your water to be about 110. And then once it reaches 110, you want to add a tablespoon and a quarter teaspoon of instant yeast. Give that a good whisk. And we're going to set him off to the side. Next, take a large bowl and add 3 3/4 cups of all-purpose flour. Next, you're going to add 3/4 cups plus 2 tablespoons of powdered sugar. Next, you're going to add a teaspoon and a half of salt. Give that a good whisk. Alright, so we've let our yeast water sit for a few minutes. So we're going to add this to our mixture. Before we get too far ahead, I want to add 2 teaspoons of vegetable oil. We'll get our hands in there, finish mixing it. Okay, now that we have it formed into a nice smooth ball, we'll take just a little bit of oil. We're going to take a little bit of saran wrap. We're going to cover our bowl. Okay, we're going to set this off to the side and let it sit for about 45 minutes. Alright, so our pretzel dough has doubled in size. Let's go ahead and mix the pretzels. And while we're making our pretzels, we're going to turn our oven on to 425. Alright, so we're going to divide this into 8 pieces. Alright, so we also need to make our baking soda bath, which is about 4 cups of warm water and about 1.5 cups of baking soda. Okay, and then we're going to take these and we're going to roll these into pretzels. Okay, you want them to be about as long as your board, about 1.5 feet. And you're just going to twist them and pinch down the seams. Okay, and then you have your pretzels. Then you're going to dip them in your baking soda bath. Place them on your baking sheet. So you're going to do that with the rest of them. coat about half of these in sea salt. The other half, we're gonna put cinnamon sugar on. All right, we're gonna throw these in the oven for about 10 minutes, and then we're gonna try out some pretzels. All right, so our pretzels are done. Let's check them out. Ooh, buddy. I like those. So, let's dress these up. So over here we got melted butter for all of them, and then we got cinnamon sugar that we're gonna dip the plain ones in that don't have any salt on them. Lather those bad puppies up with some melted butter. Now, how Auntie Anne's does it is they take their pretzels, they dip them in butter. They toss them around like so. That actually looks pretty good. So we're going to do that with the rest of these. Alright, so we have our 2 different pretzels. Let's give these a taste test and see who did better. Alright guys, so we have our Auntie Anne's pretzels. So we're going to try the regular Auntie Anne's. They're not bad. They don't have any salt on them. And like I said earlier, they're kind of bland without salt. So let's try mine. See, now that's the pretzel. It's got enough salt, but it's not like coated in salt. But the butter, warm butter on a pretzel, that's good stuff. Alright, so now we're going to try the cinnamon sugar one. Okay, this is Auntie Anne's. Not bad. Alright, now we're going to try mine. See, again, nice, fresh, warm butter on a nice cinnamon pretzel. I'm not a big fan of sweet pretzels, but this is pretty good. So I know most of you are thinking, alright Gabe, this is like your second pretzel video. They can't be that fantastic. I have the perfect stranger to help a brother out. We're gonna, no, over here. Yep, there you go. Yep, just right here. Wave to the camera.
Hi guys.
Oh, sorry, wait, wrong way.
Oh. Hi guys.
There you go. Okay, so we're gonna stand you.
I am hungry.
Alright, so here's pretzel number 1.
Alright.
This is the regular pretzel.
Regular pretzel. Alright,
This is
here we
regular
go.
pretzel. Okay. It's pretzel 1.
Pretzel 1. I give it like a 6 out of 10.
Okay.
Alright, number 2 me.
Alright, number 2.
Alright. Okay. Has more crunch to it. Outside. Definitely taste the salt more on that one.
Yep. What do you give that one out of 10?
I'll give it a 7. It's a little bit better than the other one. I like the crunch on the outside. It's a little bit better.
Alright, wash that down, because you got more. You got more.
I got more?
Yeah, you got more. This is a cooking show. We eat more.
It is a cooking show.
Yeah,
We eat here.
Yeah, we eat here.
Alright.
Alright, so.
What you got for me next?
Alright, this is pretzel number 1.
Alright. Oh, it's got like stuff on it.
Yeah, this is the cinnamon sugar one.
Oh, geez. Okay, here we go. Okay, plenty of cinnamon sugar. It's all over my hands.
There's nothing wrong with that sometimes.
Right, yeah, it's good.
Okay.
Like I said, plenty of cinnamon sugar. A similar texture to Pretzel 1 from the previous batch, but
okay.
Didn't have the crunch, but it's still pretty good. I do like sweet pretzels, so. I'm a fan. I feel like I'm just throwing this all over your...
Oh, yeah.
Wherever you are.
It's okay.
It's going to have it everywhere.
Alright. This is pretzel number 2, but go ahead and wash whatever you got out of your mouth first.
Okay. Pretzel 2. Pretzel 1.
Out of 10.
Out of 10. We'll give it a 7.
Okay.
It was pretty good. I enjoyed that one. I would eat the whole one of those.
Okay, fair.
Okay. A little bit less cinnamon sugar, which is fine. If I had to rate this one, it would be lower. I'd probably rate this like a 5.5, 6.
Okay.
He got unlucky. Are you trying to tell me something, Gabe?
Nope. Not at all.
It's still pretty good. Alright.
Alright, let's take the blindfold off.
Let's finish it up. Alright. Undo me.
Oh, I'll undo you. Alright. Can you see now?
Alright. So,
So unfortunately, we went 1 for 2. But you know what? Hey, hey. So I put a lot of cinnamon sugar on this one. Like he said, he liked the Auntie Anne's better than this one. Mm-hmm. I'm not a big fan of sweet pretzels, but you know what? Hey, hey.
To each their own.
You know what? I'll take it. But as long as my regular pretzel is better than this one, everything's okay. Everything's fine. Oh, yeah. Life is good. We can sleep soundly tonight. The world is okay. But overall, what'd you think of putting both of them together?
Yeah. Knowing, like, I don't know, I had a feeling that I would be able to tell the difference. Just like homemade pretzels are usually thicker. You know, they got a little bit more dough to them, whereas, you know, store-bought pretzels, Auntie Anne's, you know, your typical store, is a little bit more thin. You know, you can kind of taste the processedness to it. So, you can't did a great job. I mean, I would eat both of those pretzels any day of the week. He's a great cook.
The fact that I even made pretzels is just a gift in itself.
Right, yeah.
But you know what? I'll take a 50-50 on that one.
Right.
Because I don't bake to save my life. But you guys all know that. But, all right, well, thanks, sir.
I appreciate it. Thanks for the free pretzels.
Ain't no thing. All right, guys. Well, there you have it. Pretzels, recreated. Pretty close. I'll take it. Tell me what you think. Tell me what I should do next. Keep hitting that like button. Keep hitting that subscribe button. Comment down below. And I'll see you guys next time. Peace out.